Let me show you the latest edition of harmonica from Dabell, this company that I rate very highly. Get on very well with Benny Ewan, the boss. So this is the new one. They've got Story and they've got Noble, and now Contender. Let's have a look. So it's a slightly different shape. Sorry, I'm just doing this one-handed, so I might drop everything. So it's a bit more squared off than the other two. Nicely made, as you would know if you've had any Dabells before. They are exceptional quality, I think. Best harmonicas out of the box, I think, at the moment, is Dabell from South Korea. Get a pretty good view inside, don't you, there? So that's how it looks. Now, I'm told that this is a compromise tuning. I don't know the exact tuning, but it's not equal temperament, which all the others are. So it's some kind of compromise. So it's going towards just, but it will be somewhere in the middle. We don't know exactly where. Right, let's have a look and see what it sounds like. So let's check out the sound. We know what it looks like. Let's have a go at listening. Well, first thing, instant thing, is it's got great response. They're very, very airtight, these. Now, bear in mind that I've not set this up for myself, so the factory doesn't know how I play. So you always have to set harmonicas up. The gaps, you need to set that for yourself, like guitarists do with the action. They set it up to suit them playing. And if you have a car, you get in a car, you set the mirror, you set the seat, you set the steering wheel. So you just personalize it, don't you? Right, let's play some chords. Do you hear notes fighting? Yeah, a little bit. In the middle, but you don't use the middle chords too much. Sounds pretty sweet at the bottom end, so this is going to play nice chords at the low end of the harmonica. So I'm just doing a bit of chugging with that, and that works really well. Yep, good response all through. Great. Good stuff. Sonny Boy 1 would be proud of it. Let's see about the bending. I did hold 2. Let me try hold 3. Very easy. Yeah, all good. Let me try and overblow 4. A little slight bit of whistle, but not too bad. A little bit of a whistle on the overblows, but that's easily fixed with either putting maybe some nail varnish or glue around the base of the reed itself, or a little bit of tape, like micropore tape, on the center of the reed in the front to back center and left to right center, just a tiny bit, so it doesn't detune it. That's usually the way that I would personally choose to fix that. What about 1? Yeah, I think a bit of gapping would help that as well. So this is an exceptionally good instrument. I like it a lot. That's in the key of C. We'll have some in the key of C right now, and then we'll get a few more in. And if people like them, then we'll start to increase the range of the keys. It's a mid-priced instrument. The price will be somewhere midway between the Story and the Noble, I think. This has a plastic-bodied comb, or ABS, and not a wooden body. But I think the sound is good. Yeah, fine harmonica. Get one in.